Hello everybody, welcome back to Prani Gaming. In this episode, we are back with Clash Royale, and we are going to actually try to reach the same the achievement we are trying to make from the past 1 week, that is reaching Challenger 2. And this time we are going to play cycle decks. We have two decks now, and I have done this as my first deck. I am using the Rage now. I've started using it because we are in need of some big damage. So yeah, Rage and Elite Barbarians is going to be the main combo. And in deck 2, it's the same deck, but instead of Elite Barbarians, there is a P.E.K.K.A. So that's the only difference between these two decks. And today, we are experimenting so much that shows the desperation for us to reach Challenger 2. So today, we have to reach it because this is the first time I'm playing with two decks. So yes, this is the attack I wanted to tell you about. Elite Barbarians plus Rage. This has been working a lot, very very well for many players. I've been even for my opponents as well. I've been watching. So yeah, this seems to be working for many people. So yeah, just that attack didn't work on this occasion, but let's keep trying. Okay, it was action replay over there and over here. Okay, so again it's a good start for him. He's at least got 2 alt towers, but yeah, we have not even touched him yet. Somehow we have to stop the princess shooting arrows too many times. Yes, this is good. He's wasted 5 plus 3. He wasted 8 elixir on the princess and the Inferno Tower, and this is why I'm using the Rage. To make the troops quicker, and look what the Mega Knight has done along with the Electro Wizard. Goddess Towers, yes! That is the Rage speciality and the quality. That's why we are using it. Yes, this is good. This is the best chance now. We have enough HP on our towers. We have to defend our crown tower now, which has 1297 HP left somehow. And we have to reach Challenger 2 in this game. In this video at least, if we lose this game. But I'm quite sure we'll win this. Only one Raged Elite Barbarian. Both Elite Barbarians are not Raged. So yeah, that's the problem. Okay, we have the arrows. Yes, that's good. Okay, I just want to keep sending the goblin barrel over there. I just want him to keep sending the arrows there and keep wasting his elixir. That's my goal. That's why I know he has the arrows, but still I'm sending it because I want him to waste the elixir. Yes, come on, this is the best chance. We can't allow him to get a tower over here. No way. No way. No way. Oh. Yes, that's good. That is good. Yes, we have reached Challenger 2. What an achievement finally in this video. We changed our deck and the Rage has won it. I'm going to tell this because it, charged up the Mega Knight and the Electro Wizard over there, and that's what won the game for us. Yes, thank you very much. We are in Challenger 2. Yes. So the chest boost up speed really helps. We can... it's better than chest keys actually. It lasts for 24 hours. So yeah, it's not bad. Maybe not as good as chest keys, but definitely very very valuable. Okay then. See, this is the deck I was talking about. This is deck 2. And yeah, we are back again with a battle. Let's just try it out. First battle at Challenger 2. And the same deck as deck 1, which was Elite Barbarians plus Rage. This is P.E.K.K.A. plus Rage. No difference. Oopsie. I didn't expect him to send an Elite Barbarians there. Definitely. Let's just Rage. Oh no. This is not good. A bad start, but the P.E.K.K.A. over there, look at that. Okay. So the minion horde has done no damage. It has done damage, but definitely not too much. So yeah, we can manage it. Manage it. And the Pekka 984. I still remember its damage 984, and it was 973. So it was quite comfortable. Come on, one more shot at the King Tower. Yes. But unfortunately, we didn't have the rage, or else we could have got around 2-3 shots, I think, on the King Tower. So it would have been good. But I thought of defending the Elite Barbarians. It was the right choice, though. Okay, now the balloon. Hopefully it doesn't get to our Crown Towers. It doesn't get to our Tesla too. This is good. The Tesla has been no damage. Not even a touch on the Tesla for the balloon. So that's great. Level 12 Tesla. It's so strong. It will attract troops because we are positioning it in the middle. And look at the damage it does. Man, 230 I think the damage. Or maybe 250 or no. It was 230 at level 11 I think. But whatever it is, it's a great card. It's a great building. Okay, Firecracker. I don't mind about a level 8 Firecracker. It doesn't do much damage, and yeah, we can manage that. Okay, this time we have the arrows again and the Eve is. And now let's rage it. I just don't want him to send an Elite Barbarians because we have just used the Mega Knight. But no problem, we have the first maxed out card. The Pekka for us, rather. Yes, the first maxed out card for us. And now we are raging the Pekka, and look at that. He freezed it. I knew he had a freeze, but I didn't know that he's going to send it here. Because who would have thought about it? Okay, Firecracker. I'm not worried about it as I said earlier, because it's level 8 and it's really easy to get it. Goblin Barrel. Come on, don't send the log. Oh, he didn't send the log, but still he could defend the Goblin Barrel, which is quite great for him. But come on, balloon has to get to the Tesla. Yes, that's good. Come on, I don't want him to touch the Tesla. It doesn't. He's freezed it. Okay, no problem. The Pekka has too much HP. It can easily, even if it's freezed, no problem actually. Now this is the great attack. I just want the Pekka to be protected, and I don't want it to be damaged anyhow. It has to stay there behind the Mega Knight. Whatever may be the situation. Now look at the rage. Look at its power. Yes! The rage again. The first win for us in Challenger 2. The rage, Mega Knight, Pekka and the Inferno Dragon, and obviously the great Goblin Barrel. What an attack that was, along with the rage. Okay. Yes, thank you so much. It's a crown rush as well, so it's going to help all these crowns definitely for our bonus bank. And I think let's just and in the next episode we are closing it here. And obviously I'll just remind you what's going to happen in the next episode. If we have enough gold, we may upgrade the rage, and because we get a lot of epic wildcards. So if we have enough gold, we are going to upgrade the rage, but that's not certain. We'll see it in the next episode, guys, and we are closing it here. Please like this video if you liked it. Challenger 2. I'm still in Challenger 1. No problem. And we'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.